Good morning, Sundar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. So, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
All right. Sundar, I am Nandita Bhaskar and I'm going to be your trainer for today.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'm a software engineer and I'm a certified White Hat Junior trainer. Okay. I would like to know a little bit about you, please, before we begin this class.
Okay,
Please.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Sundar from class 8th. I have a YouTube channel also. I'm
Mhm.
a blogger and a certified Google
Okay.
Consult marketer, digital marketer.
Oh my God, that's a lot. What's a Google certified? What is a Google Concept certified digital marketer?
Ma'am, Google set a 2 hours exam where we have to pass in high score. When we pass the exam, we will get a certificate from Google,
And what is the exam about?
a digital marketing.
About how to market, how to be a digital. Wow. So all those number of clicks and clicks per second and the amount of money
Yes,
that
ma'am.
goes into all of that. Yeah, all of that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. And how did you do all of that?
I'm 97%.
97%. That's huge. Okay. So today's class is about what, Sundar? I know now your hobbies. I know what all you do, which is brilliant. Do you know what is today's class about?
About a programming language which the computer can feel our what we have to say.
Correct. So today's class is basically to learn about how to give instructions to a machine and instruct like you and I can speak in human language. You and machine cannot speak in human language because you speak human and machine speaks computer language. So for communication, like if Sundar is talking to a French person, there can be no communication. So in order to communicate, you will need to learn French and then you can communicate with the French guy. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Correct. Right.
Similarly, to communicate with the computer or with the machine, you have to learn the computer programming language. Once you have learned the computer programming language, you can give instructions to the computer, which the computer understands. Okay? So you have a lot of languages in the market, many. Do you know the names of a few languages?
Language JavaScript,
Yeah.
C,
Correct. Brilliant.
HTML, Python.
Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Amazing. So you know so many computer languages. The
Yes, ma'am.
point is that we will be learning one such computer language in our this thing, and then we'll proceed to more. We'll begin with JavaScript.
Okay, ma'am.
And why JavaScript? Because JavaScript is a very, very what do I call powerful language and a very useful language, and, and almost 99% of software programmers use it. And it's powerful because it has a great front end and a great back end. So you can program both. You can do designing in the front, you can do back end processing at the back. So it's a very, very brilliant language. Do you know something about JavaScript?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
No.
I know about HTML.
Okay, you know about HTML. So HTML is primarily a front end,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
It's mostly like a front end language. JavaScript is both. It balances both, and that's why it's the best suitable language for English, for games, for app development, and for all of those things. Later on, you will need Python. You will need other languages also, which we will gradually keep during our course. Okay. All right. What class did you say you're in eighth? Yeah.
I didn't understand.
What grade are you in?
Ma'am, B, 8B.
In eighth standard. Okay. Brilliant. In eighth standard, you're giving digital marketing exams. Who taught you all this digital marketing?
Ma'am, from YouTube.
From YouTube only you took any digital by yourself. Wow. So you want to make a future in computers. That is sure. How you're trying to figure that out.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Second step.
Brilliant. Second what?
Ma'am, second step. My first goal is to become IAS. If I
Mhm.
didn't made it, I will use this programming.
Great, great, Sundar. Brilliant. Okay. So now we're going to start. I'm going to teach you about how we are going to be. Have you played any computer games?
Yes, ma'am. T-Rex. T-Rex
T-Rex,
Rhino
okay.
game.
T-Rex mostly we play when there's no internet.
No
Yeah?
internet. Yes, ma'am.
Offline. What else?
Or
Okay. Now do me a favor. I will just quickly show you all the games on that we will be developing here. First, before I proceed, I have explained to you three things. Just quickly recapping. One, that a human language is different and a machine language or a computer language is different. And for giving instructions to any human, you have to speak in human language. For example, I'll say, Sundar, pick up the mouse. You'll pick it up. Because it is human to human, and both of us understand it. For giving instructions to a robot, to do any work, you have to give it step-by-step instructions. For example, if you tell him to even open a bottle or to give you water, it's going to struggle. You have to tell him to pick up the bottle, touch the cap, turn the cap, pull out the cap, put in the water. So there's so many 10 instructions you'll have to give to it. So a machine understands precise step-by-step instructions, and the computer understands, a human understands just simple instructions like pass me that thing. You can do it, right? So a human intelligence is way more than a machine intelligence. But we give so much programming into a machine that the machine starts behaving like a human, like a robot.
okay.
Yeah? Like if I tell him that do this every day, and that, like, especially these days, you have those driverless cars. They have been programmed. They have been programmed for so many things. So they drive as good as a human would drive. Yeah, right. That is artificial intelligence. And who has put the programming in it? Programmers. Do you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
And in what language? In a language that the computer understands. So whatever language that may be, it may be Python, it may be JavaScript, whatever. So we are now moving on to a JavaScript module. I'll quickly show you what all we'll be doing in the course curriculum, and then we will move on to this. Okay. I'm sharing my screen, and
Okay.
I think you will be able to see my screen. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. So this is the first screen. What do you see here?
Ma'am, a boy is playing a game.
With a
football.
robot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And whom am I moving?
A programmer.
No, I am moving the boy, or I'm moving the robot. मैं
Boy.
किसको move
Boy.
कर रही हूँ? Boy. Correct. I'll take you to the next one. This you have played and you have said. We will learn how to build this game also. Yeah. It's an offline Google game. We will learn. It's so simple. It's black and white. There's not too much colors in it. The third one, this every child has played.
Angry Bird.
Correct. So in this game, when we are building this game, you'll see that how it is different from this game. This is a very simple black and white, and this is also a very simple game. It's got not too much complication in this, but Angry Birds is a lot more complicated. There are objects, there is angles, there is background, a scoreboard. Okay, so our level of competency will increase. Then we have something called another one, which is the Pong game. This is one of the world's oldest games that has ever been made, and a simple black and white basic game, but hugely popular, written in JavaScript. In this, whom am I moving, Sharad?
Right side rectangle.
Correct. And this is the paddle, this is the right paddle, and this is the left paddle. I'm moving this, and the ball can go in any direction. Who is controlling this?
Computer.
Computer. Who gave the programming to the computer?
Programmer.
Programmer, that's correct. And wrote some code so that this computer will never, ever miss a goal.
Okay.
You can play for 10 days, 20 days, 1 year. It's never going to miss a goal. All right? We've given it some programming. Perfect. Now, can you go to your student activity on the right hand side? Please go. Yeah, something happened?
Yes, ma'am. I pressed the back button.
There was a power cut? What
Yes, ma'am.
happened?
Ma'am, I pressed the power button.
Okay. All right. So you just go to your student.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
you're
I
not
got.
supposed to press that. Okay. Just go to the activities. And
Yes,
on
ma'am. I got.
activity number 5, there is something called multiplayer car
Multiplayer
racing.
car racing.
That's right. Please click on that.
I'm click.
Between student, please select student.
I'm waiting. Yes, ma'am. Secret word.
Correct. I've put the secret word in the chat window. Please pick it up from there.
I got it.
Correct. Now just insert it there, write your name, and you can do play. Yeah. You are the red car and I am the white car. And using the up arrow key, we can start.
Which key?
Up arrow key. Arrow key on the screen, on the keyboard.
Okay.
That's right. So you see over here that we have 2 cars moving.
Yes,
There's
ma'am.
animation, and
Yes.
there are other people also who can join in using the secret word. And I can give place to. Oh wow! What rank did you get?
Ma'am.
What did you complete the game?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Rank
rank?
2.
Rank 2. Okay. I don't know how you got a rank 2. I was way behind you, but I still got a rank 2. Rank 1. Okay. That's brilliant. And with that, we come to the end of the showcase. Okay. So I'm going to start sharing my screen now, Sharat, and I'm going to be doing some coding. I'll explain the coding to you. I will not give you the direct hint of the coding. I will explain you the coding enough, and you are going to draw the 2 rectangles and the ball of the Pong game. Okay. If we have further time, then we will move the 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 player paddle, the one on the left, on the one on the right, and we can also put some nice colors in the background screen if you have more time. All right, that those will be the additional activities. Are you ready to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. You're very confident for an 8th standard old child. Very good. And I feel so happy to see such children who are so confident, who's so sure in their mind that yeah, I'm gonna do this. Very, very good. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Kindly move to the full screen mode.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the Pong game that we will be designing. And this is where we will be designing it. This is our coding area. It's also called the JavaScript web editor. Okay. Because we have to write JavaScript on a platform which can understand it, compile it, interpret it, and then make it work. Okay. So that's the JavaScript web editor. So this is the word file. This is our file menu. This is our play menu. This is our stop menu.
Stop.
This is where we will write our code. It's our coding space or the workspace. Okay. This is where I will see the output. It's called the preview or the output section. And this is my URL. Okay. This is where I will copy my URL to submit. Okay. First things first, let me just play and show you what I have here. Okay. Nice.
A rectangle.
A rectangle. So first, just quickly, just pay super intention for the next 3 minutes and I'll explain you the code and then you can start coding. Okay. The word function means to do. What does the word function mean?
To do.
To do. To do what? To do a setup. Setup is something that we do right in the beginning of a program, or we do something right in the beginning of our activity. For example, in the beginning of the White Hat Junior class, just before that, you sat down and set up your table. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah. So this is the same setup. In my to do a setup, what all do I want to do? Right now, not much. I only want to create a canvas. Canvas is nothing but a drawing board on which all my objects will be drawn. And what is the size of my canvas? It's 400
400.
cross 4. So 400 on the x-axis and 400 on the y-axis.
Y-axis.
Do you get it? Okay. The next is function. What does the word function mean, Sharad?
To do.
Brilliant. It means to do. To do what?
Draw.
To do a draw. To draw a what?
Rectangle. Its
Wonderful.
size 200, 200, 100, 100.
No. That is where all my kids go wrong. If I tell you that Sharad, draw a rectangle, first question will be, ma'am, okay, I will draw. Tell me the length and the width. So I'll give you the length is 5 and height is, no, width is 5 and height is 10. You'll say, okay, I'm drawing. Second, you'll ask me, ma'am, but where to draw? Should I draw it here? Should I draw it here? Should I draw it here? Here? Where should I draw it? Right? So first, what do you need to know? The location, the position. If I tell you draw it here, then from here you will draw the rectangle. Okay? And for a rectangle, you do not need 4 sides. You only need 2 sides, the base and the height. Okay? Am I clear on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our first number tells us should be drawn left or right on the x-axis. Left is 0. End of the left, that is right, is 400. Why 400, Sharad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it 400?
And because its size is 400.
Correct. So it will start from 0 to 400. So now if I make this to 20, it will come to the left. Because this is 0 and this is 20.
The distance between the border and the drawing rectangle.
Correct. So on the x-axis. So this is like a number line. You follow?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a number line from 0 to 400. So when you say 20, this is 20, so it will start over here. Okay?
Okay.
And if I make this 120, where will it go? Left or right?
120, right.
Right. If I make it 220?
Left,
If I make it 220?
right.
And if I make it 400?
In the corner.
In the corner. So see, it started at 400, but it could not complete because... So its start point is the point that we give. Do you follow that?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I make it 0, see what happens? It starts from 0. Do you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
So the first number tells me left or right from 0 to 400. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The second number tells me, I'll just make this 50. Yeah. Now the second number tells me top or bottom. Top is 0, bottom is 400. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will make this 20. Will it go up or down?
20 up,
Correct. You got it absolutely right. And if I make it 200,
down.
we go down. And if, of course, if I make it a 400, if I make it 400, what will happen?
Down.
If you go and touch the border, that's it. Okay, do you follow this?
Yes, ma'am.
Brilliant. So I'll take this to the up and I'll make it 100. I'm going to make it a 10, so it goes right to the top. Okay. Now I have that how far from this and how far from this, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the third number is the base or the width. So if I make the base or the width as 10, see that it becomes thin. If I make it to 50, it will become fat. And if I make it 150, then it becomes even fat. Okay, that's the base or the width. The fourth is the height. If I make it to 10, then it becomes shorter. If I make it 210, it becomes taller. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
With that, we come to the end of this. And now you are going to draw the Pong game. You're going to draw the 3 rectangles in the Pong game. Do you understand? These are this is, you remember the Pong game, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Now please share your screen first so that we can proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. You have to go to activity number 6, please.
Ma'am, P5.
That's correct, the P5. But before we start, we have to log in. So please go to the top right. Okay. Just go down to the last option, log in with Google. Correct? Leave blue button. Correct? Choose whichever. I like technical Sundar.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a very tech name. Okay, hello, Sundar. All right. And now you go back to the White Hat Junior page, the red dot panel. No, not here. Yeah, you go here and you click again on blank student activity. I want to enter with the login. You get it? Yeah. So now you'll pick up the one I made and I
Yes.
correct. Correct. And it's also logged in. Yes. So now you can save it. You can play it, see it, and
Yes.
I want you to make. I'm giving you minutes to make the first paddle. Your time starts now. Please delete all the phone numbers inside the RECT and start putting new numbers in it so that you can make the left paddle, which is the computer artificial intelligent paddle. Okay. Play, play, play.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Very nice. Very nice. But I don't want it like this. I want a proper paddle. Make it better. $75 will go up. The second number is up or down. First number is left to right. Let's have it a little down. Little more down. Okay, perfect. This looks nice. Now I want the width to be much thinner. It's too fat. Paddles are usually thin. It's like a racket. Okay, a little more thinner. This works perfect. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Make it a 10. Make it a 10, the first one. Perfect. You have made the most amazing, brilliant paddle. Sundar, we are going to finish all additional activities also at this speed. I'm so excited. I love it when I have a child who can do basic, additional, double addition. Now on line number 10, you will please draw the right pattern. Same dimensions, same height, same width, same from the top, but only on the right. Your first number says that it is from left to right, so you've put it only till 150. Our canvas is from 0 to 400.
400.
Yeah. Very nice. Bring it a little lower. Nice. Bring it lower. Amazing. I'm super impressed. Brilliant. Brilliant is the word. Wonderful. Okay. Correct. Now I want it a little to the left. It's too much inside the right. It's touching the canvas on the other end.
Yes. I'm done.
It's perfect. Now, can we go on line number 11 and draw the ball? Now, listen to my requirements for the ball. The ball must be in the center of the canvas, both on x axis and on y axis. Center of the canvas. Ball's height and width both must be the same. Okay, one thing. First, can we change the width and the height because this ball is like humongous, a gigantic ball. थोड़ा छोटा बनाए बॉल को. Okay, और छोटा. And now I want it in the center. You got it.
I'm done.
Perfect. So with this, we have drawn the three main objects. So whenever we look at a game, what all do you see in the game? Oh, he already knows. Have you taken this trial before?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your second trial.
Yes, ma'am. मैं फर्स्ट ट्रायल कल ही किया था.
Acha. What happened then in the trial?
मैम बेस्ट.
Huh?
I did color white. I did blue color in background.
Okay. Okay. तो फिर आज दोबारा क्यों लिया ट्रायल? वैसे पूछ रही हूँ.
मैम फॉर स्कॉलरशिप.
For scholarship. What is the scholarship thing? मुझे पता नहीं. What is it?
मैम व्हाइट हेड जूनियर में कोडिंग पूरा सीखना था.
क्या है ये scholarship?
मैम मुझे कोडिंग
हाँ.
पूरा सीखना था. यूट्यूब में कुछ कुछ ही सिखाते हैं, अच्छा पूरा सिखाते नहीं है.
हाँ.
इसलिए मैं
कहीं पे भी पूरा नहीं सिखाएंगे for free.
यस मैम, इसलिए मैं
Okay. Okay. Just go back to your screen. Okay. तो इसमें वो क्या कह रहे हैं? नहीं नहीं, ये वाला नहीं है हमारा. हाँ, ये करेक्ट. तो फिर वो क्या कहते हैं कि आपको क्या करना है? बैकग्राउंड भी लगाओ लाइन नंबर 8 पे. तो आप जितनी ज़्यादा क्लासेस लोगे उतना ज़्यादा स्कॉलरशिप का चांस है, ये बता रहे हैं। नहीं, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आइडिया स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में। आई एम अ सीनियर टीचर, आई ओनली टीच 8th 9th 10th एंड 11th, तो मुझे एक्चुअली आइडिया नहीं है। व्हाट इज इट अबाउट? स्कॉलरशिप के लिए क्या होना चाहिए?
बेस्ट करना चाहिए क्लास में।
अच्छा, तो कल आपका बेस्ट नहीं हुआ था?
मैम कल मैंने क्लास ही नहीं किया था।
तो
कल मैंने
फिर
सिर्फ ऐसे यूट्यूब में देख रहा था।
कि क्लास में क्या होता है?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, नहीं आपकी तो ये सेकंड ट्रायल शो हो रही है।
मैम वो फर्स्ट वाला मैंने फोन में किया था तो कैंसिल हो गया। हम सितंबर 5 को
अच्छा
किया था, वो कैंसिल हो गया।
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके। प्लीज गो टू लाइन नंबर 8 and do a background. Correct. Background में open a bracket, do a double inverted comma, नहीं inverted commas, double quotes. Correct. Go to the end. अच्छा, बैकग्राउंड में हम कोई भी कलर फिल कर सकते हैं बिकॉज हम पूरा का पूरा कोई भी कलर फिल कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वी कैन चेंज इट टू व्हाटएवर कलर वी वांट। और ये एक्सेप्ट करता है कोई भी कलर। अगर आप लाइट ब्लू भी लिखोगे तो भी एक्सेप्ट करेगा। ओके, एंड हम इस वाले को माउस वाइड नहीं करेंगे
मैम दूसरे को करना है।
बिकॉज ये तो कंप्यूटर कंट्रोल्ड है, ये तो आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हो ना। करेक्ट। आप इसको वापस वही रखोगे, आप कंप्यूटर आप प्लेयर पैडल को करोगे। करेक्ट, एंड आप प्लेयर पैडल पे करोगे। प्लेयर पैडल इज द राइट पैडल। करेक्ट। डू यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ माउस वाई, शरद?
मैम व्हाट माउस?
माउस वाई, आप जो लिख तो रहे हो, आपको पता है इसका मतलब क्या है?
यस मैम, माउस वाई एक्स और वाई, एक नीचे का और साइड का।
हाँ, ये माउस का एक्स और माउस का वाई है, क्योंकि माउस एक पॉइंटर है।
यस मैम।
तो माउस आपकी स्क्रीन पे पॉइंट करता है कहाँ कितना एक्स पे और कितना वाई पे। नाउ यू कैन रन इट एंड सी इट। ओके, परफेक्ट। और नंबर, ओके परफेक्ट। सो अब हम एक चीज लिखते हैं, ऊपर हम लिखे, इसको लाइट ब्लू कर दो, LIGHT, लाइट ब्लू। नहीं, स्पेस नहीं, no space. Correct. Now run. Perfect. You see, it can accept just about any color. Okay. And अब मुझे यहाँ पे ऊपर टेक्स्ट लिखना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल सुंदर पोंग गेम ऊपर लिखना है, तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगी?
I don't know.
ओके, that's also an additional activity. उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, हम एक फंक्शन बुलाते हैं टेक्स्ट। प्लीज गो टू लाइन नंबर 14 एंड डू टेक्स्ट।
14th।
हाँ, TEXT
मैम
टेक्स्ट लिखो। हाँ, यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट लिखो, TEXT। करेक्ट, ओपन योर ब्रैकेट एंड इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स, जो भी इंग्लिश में हम लिखते हैं ना वो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में लिखते हैं। करेक्ट, यहाँ पे लिखो सुंदर पोंग गेम। कोट को एंड करो। ये हम ये वाला कोट नहीं यूज करेंगे सुंदर, इसमें हम यूज करेंगे डबल कोट्स। टेक्स्ट हमेशा डबल कोट में होता है, बट चलो आपने वो मिडिल कोट हटा दिया तो ठीक है, डजंट मैटर। इसको हटाओ। हाँ, और गेम के कोट के बाद लिखो कॉमा, यहाँ नहीं, गेम के कोट के बाद, क्योंकि हमें बताना है कि कहाँ। करेक्ट, नहीं गेम के बाद, कोट के बाद। हाँ, नीचे करेक्ट, यहाँ पे लिखो कॉमा।
यस मैम।
वन कहाँ लिखना है, ऊपर लिखना है नीचे लिखना है?
ऊपर।
ऊपर। ऊपर होगा पहले एक्स एक्सिस 0 और 400 के बीच में मान के चलो 200 के करीब या 150 लिख दो ताकि लोकेशन आ जाए, कॉमा। अब ऊपर से कितना नीचे? 10।
ओके मैम।
10 मतलब ये बताना कि क्या करना है, आपको ये भी बताना है कहाँ करना है, नहीं तो कंप्यूटर को कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा, राइट? You followed?
Yes ma'am.
With that we come to the end of the class and please click file. FILE पे जाओ, correct? Please do a duplicate. Duplicate. Correct. Please do a file again. नहीं. Just do a file again. Do a save. Sketch save रहेगा, correct. अब दोबारा करो फाइल. अब हम शेयर करेंगे. शेयर, करेक्ट. शेयर में सेकंड जो प्रेजेंट है उसके ऊपर डबल क्लिक करो. नहीं यहाँ नहीं, सिर्फ डबल क्लिक करो बीच में. हाँ, करेक्ट. कॉपी टू. गो बैक टू व्हाइट हैट जूनियर पेज. गो टू द एक्टिविटीज जहाँ पे उसके ऊपर एंट्री प्रोजेक्ट करेक्ट एंड डू अ सबमिट.
Submit.
Nice. Yes. Did you understand the game? Did you understand what we are doing here?
Yes ma'am.
Yes? Perfect. Now it's my time to give you the hats. You are a very brilliant child, super brilliant.
Thank you.
And you are trying to find a way to get your education done. So that's really, really nice. My only request to you would be that explore more of this, read more of this, and see how you can, benefit more out of coding platform. आप खुद learn करो, and maybe आपको सारा कुछ खुद अगर नहीं समझ आता, you have to probably take the help of a book or something. And here at White Hat Junior हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम एक गेम को हम ये सारी गेम्स बनवाते हैं बच्चों से और उसको इतना फन करते हैं कि वो बिल्कुल स्मॉल से स्टार्ट होकर और कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग करते हैं. हम सिर्फ आपको ये नहीं बताते ये करो, हम उसको पूरे को कॉन्सेप्ट पहले हम बताएंगे क्या करो, फिर आप करोगे, फिर क्या करोगे, फिर हम पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्ड करेंगे और फिर आप एक पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्ड करोगे. इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट. It's a very, very structured and a very you have to stop sharing your screens in this. Yes. So did you enjoy the class?
Yes ma'am.
Good. अब मुझे ये नहीं पता कि आपका ये स्कॉलरशिप का क्या सीन है और क्या है, बट यू आर अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट. और मुझे आपसे बात करके कितना कुछ पता चला अबाउट कि ये वाला वीडियो हमारी जो डेमो क्लास है ये यूट्यूब पे भी है. ये मुझे पता था, बहुत लोग बताते थे कि ये डेमो क्लास वीडियो यूट्यूब पे, बट आई एम श्योर जिसने भी वो डेमो क्लास ली होगी वो एक सुपर सीनियर टीचर नहीं होगी जिसने एक एक चीज बताई होगी कि ये क्यों करो, व्हाट इज द रीजन, right? So when we teach with a lot of reasoning, because I'm a computer engineer myself. So I'm a certified, I'm not a तो मैं White Hat Junior certified trainer हूँ, but मैं otherwise अपनी डिग्री से मैं computer engineer हूँ. So I know that the kind of अगर आपको कुछ सच्ची में डेवलप करना है तो आपको कच्ची नॉलेज के साथ नहीं डेवलप कर सकते. आपका फाउंडेशन बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, राइट? और फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग करने के लिए आप अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए चीज की. डू यू गेट इट?
Yes ma'am. Get it.
और कुछ चीजें हम बहुत इंटरेस्ट के साथ शुरू से करते हैं, कुछ चीजें हम इंटरेस्टेड हो जाते हैं,
Yes.
और फिर हमें एक न्यू वर्ल्ड दिखाई देता है और हम उस वर्ल्ड में जाके एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. डू यू फॉलो? And somebody like you should join this course whether you get the scholarship or not, because imagine अगर मैं आपको सिर्फ कोई गेम दिखाऊंगी और आप उसमें से क्या का क्या बना लोगे. Look at the potential that you have, because I'm not going to teach you just basics. I'm going to teach you basics, foundation, and then deep foundation. You have to refer. I mean, you can refer books, but it will be so deep that जब आप ये गेम्स बनाओगे आप अपनी एक गेम बना सकते हो.
Yes.
Because you are interested and you are driven, और आपके अंदर है वो चीज करना, right? So if you're willing to go and if you think that you're willing to this thing, scholarship, no scholarship, education is truly an investment. But I feel that there's no better investment than this, you know. And I'm sure you'll make your money in no time. जो भी आप इस पे spend करोगे, आपको बनाने में कोई टाइम नहीं लगेगा, और आपको अपना मार्केटिंग भी आता है। आप तो अगर कोई गेम बना लोगे, फिर तो आपको क्या मार्केट करोगे, आप तहे दिल से मार्केट करोगे, बिकॉज आपको पता है उसके अंदर क्या पॉजिटिव्स हैं और क्या एक आधा कोई नेगेटिव भी आपसे छूट गया, आपको पता होगा।
यस मैम, आता है,
यू नो, पर क्या पता आप कुछ वो बनाने में आपको पता होगा कि अब और अगर करूंगा तो उसमें टाइम बहुत लगेगा, तो इसको तो पहले लॉन्च करें। सो फाइन, लॉन्च इट। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस मैम।
एंड किसी से काम भी करवाना हो ना, अपनी नॉलेज होना 100% होना चाहिए, राइट? एंड द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज बिकॉज मैं बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स को मिलती हूँ जिनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स इतने डब्बा होते हैं, इतने डब्बा कि बस वो स्ट्रगल ही कर रहे होते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, है ना? सो कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, और कॉन्सेप्ट को साथ में अप्लाई करना, आपको करके दिखाना, और फिर आपको छोड़ देना कि खुद करो। और हर क्लास के बाद एक चैलेंजिंग प्रोजेक्ट होता है, वो करना। जैसे अभी मेरे पास बहुत स्टूडेंट्स हैं, पर मेरे पास 2-3 ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा जीनियस है, जीनियस। उनमें से एक ऑस्ट्रेलिया का बच्चा है, वो जैसे आपने अभी 200 लिखा ना, उसने 200 नहीं लिखा, उसने 190 लिखा। मैंने उसको पूछा आपने 190 क्यों लिखा? उसने कहा मैम मैंने 190 इसलिए लिखा बिकॉज 20 की विड्थ है, 200 से चालू होगा तो 220 तक जाएगा, मैं चाहता हूँ 190 और 210 के बीच में रहे। सी फॉलो? सो आई हैव जीनियस किड्स जो ये सारी एक्टिविटीज 6 मिनट में खत्म करके मेरे से 20 और एक्टिविटीज करवाता। यू गेट इट?
यस।
और वो इसीलिए है क्योंकि वो एक फाउंडेशन बिल्डिंग में डीप गए हैं। यू फॉलो? It is a passion, just like आपके लिए YouTubing and Google's a passion. If you want to use this path, get your concept and base बिल्कुल clear. Maybe you don't take the पूरा course. Maybe you 48 hours का class है, शायद आप पूरा ना लो, शायद आप आधा ले लो, 24 hours का ले लो, उसमें आपके 3 games बन जाएंगे, and after that you can start building, you know. But don't wait for everything to come its way. जब वो आएगा तब हम करेंगे, नहीं. You have to go and grab things, just like you are. You're such an entrepreneurial kind of a child. कि खुद जा रहे हो, खुद कर रहे हो, वो सारी चीजें कर रहे हो जो आपकी एज के बच्चे नहीं कर रहे, राइट? बट साथ में आप अपने एकेडमिक्स भी कर रहे हो, राइट? फॉर IAS एंड ऑल आप अपने एकेडमिक्स कर रहे हो, राइट? मेरा बेटा अमेरिका में पढ़ रहा है, और मुझे पता है कि एक बच्चे को उसका ड्रीम पूरा करने के लिए क्या कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता, करेक्ट? Education is only one thing. With how you get it, that is your problem, right? बाकी I mean ठीक है, हम चाहते थे कि वो X में जाए और वहाँ full scholarship मिले, वहाँ नहीं मिला, so next में. But in the end, also timing is important. Because once कमा तो लेंगे यार, कमाने की क्या बात है, 12th के बाद तो कमा ही लेंगे, और IAS बन के तो फिर तो क्या बात है। बट वो जो नॉलेज है ना, जो आपका माइंड एक्सपैंड करती है, क्रेजी एक्सपैंड, जैसे आपने देखा होगा आपके गूगल, दैट नॉलेज इज इनसेपरेबल, दैट इज वैल्यूएबल है वो नॉलेज, राइट? और हमेशा एज अ गूगल पर्सन और एज अ यूट्यूबर, आई गेस कह रहे हो आपने एथिक्स कितना स्ट्रांग होगा, व्हिच यू शुड ऑलवेज कीप इट। आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू। ओके, मैंने कम 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे देखे हैं जो इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं और फिर भी दे वांट टू डू मोर। आई एम रियली सो प्राउड। Alright, yes. I hope to see you soon in the class if you plan to join. If you don't plan to join, also that's your this thing. But जो भी करो, अपने फंडे, अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत डीप करो। उसके लिए शायद आपको 2-3 बुक्स पढ़नी पड़ेंगी, सो रीड। आपको कुछ जर्नल्स करने पड़ेंगे, करो, और फिर उसको अप्लाई करो, है ना? कुछ रेडीमेड करके ब्लॉक्स में देते हैं ताकि आपका वो सारा टाइम स्पेंड ना हो। और आप एक्सपेंड, हम लोग जब प्रोजेक्ट्स को मार्क करते हैं ना, तो हम प्रोजेक्ट्स को मार्क करते हैं 0 to 100 के बीच। कुछ बच्चे की जो जीनियस बच्चे की तो ऐसे देते हैं, मैं 100 से ज्यादा देता हूँ, बिकॉज उसमें और कुछ बचा ही नहीं। वो अभी वो गेम डालेंगे तो उनका कुछ हो जाएगा, पर उनको गेम डालनी नहीं आती. See, so you know this part, they probably know this part, but to work together, both of you must know both the parts. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो ठीक आनी चाहिए. Do you get it? All the best for your future and hope that you get this scholarship. All right? Bye bye. Wonderful speaking. आपको कोई questions है पूछो.
Ma'am, what we have to do next?
कोई questions?
Ma'am, what we have to do next?
You have to do nothing. So there will be. I have only explained to you what all is the curriculum. इसके बाद there will be one sales team person and academic counselor जो आपको call करेंगे. आपको बताएंगे कि what you scored, how you did the class, सब कुछ वो सब आपको बताएंगे. और फिर वो ऑफर्स हैं, मुझे पता नहीं क्या चल रही हैं ऑफर्स, बिकॉज हमें टीचर्स को कभी नहीं पता होता, वी नेवर नो. सो वो सिर्फ सेल्स टीम को पता होता है. वो आपको करंट आपके ग्रेड के हिसाब से आपको क्या ऑफर्स मिलती हैं, वो आपको वो ऑफर्स बताएंगे. आप वो देखोगे, आप चूज करोगे. क्लास मॉड्यूल साइज 48, आप हाफ मांगो, आप ईएमआई में मांगो, आप ईएमआई में विदाउट लो कॉस्ट ईएमआई में मांगो, दैट इज ऑल you can do that. वो आपको सारे options देंगे. They'll give you a beautiful set of options. You can choose and then you can do.
And we have to schedule
But
another class.
whatever you do in life, do it. Sorry?
Ma'am, is we have to do
You
schedule
have to
another
what?
class?
I didn't get your last.
Ma-
You don't have to schedule another class. You will automatically get a call now. I will say that your trial is completed. And अगर वो पूछेंगे additional activities, मैं yes कर दूँगी उसको.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
And of course मैं आपका जो comment दूंगी that you're a genius child and you're really good at it, I'm going to give that because you are. Okay? Right. Best of luck to you and best of luck in whatever you ever want to
Thank
do.
you.
Okay? Bye. Happy good. Are you? Bye.